Wait. I think this is a good one, don't you?
What?
Making her weight.
Yeah. I need to put mine. Do you want me to put mine on? Oh, that's why you call me Christmas sloth, because I've got sloth socks on.
Yeah.
I was wondering, I was like, what are you on about Christmas sloth? Oh, wrong picture profile. That's a great start to this video. But I can't open the car. All you see is me. Hi guys. I have no idea if you can see her, but... What's going on, people? How are we all doing? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Gaius Thompson. I'm an athlete, photographer, videographer, all that good stuff. And at the moment, I tell you what, mate, I am vlogging out of boredom. I am vlogging not because of coronavirus to take advantage of, I don't know, the hype and the popularity around it, like probably a lot of other YouTubers are gonna do, but I do believe that YouTube are demonetizing the people who are doing that. But this is not what I am doing and not why I'm doing it. To be honest with you, I don't care if this video gets demonetized or not, because I'm doing this because I am bored and I've got nothing else to do, so I might as well vlog and keep you guys entertained and keep myself entertained. So today we're just going to take you through a normal day of what we're doing at the moment. Since I've been back from Thailand, I'm on day 5 of self-isolation at the moment. If you're not doing that and you don't feel well and you work in an environment where there are lots of people, then I would encourage you to do that, because you are a f***ing asshole. We are in a time of crisis at the moment, a little bit, well actually quite a lot of a time of crisis at the moment, and self-isolation right now is probably the best case and the best thing that you can do for the world and for this disease to stop killing people. If you are, if you are an idiot right now and you are out of the loop of why you should self-isolate, I'm gonna say this pretty much in every vlog that I do for the next couple of weeks or months or whatever, and I'm gonna try and nail this message into your brain. But self-isolation, it's not for you, it's for the people around you, it's for the asthmatics, it's for the elderly, it's for the people who are prone and have a really crappy immune system. I'm not a doctor, but I've listened to a fair amount. The people who are going outside and in groups of 50 or larger, you are the problem. You're the ones who are spreading it. I'm sorry to say, but it's true. Although I might look like a hypocrite right now because I'm out of the house, I'm not in the house, I'm not self-isolating. I am actually self-isolating. I'm in a field with no one in it, walking the dog with my mum, because we are all, as a family, not leaving the house, not meeting up with groups of people. I haven't seen my friends since I've got back from Thailand. I don't intend on seeing my friends for another couple of weeks, if not more, just to help this, man, just to get rid of it, because we all want to return to our normal lives. We all want to go back to working and earning a bit of dosh, and this is probably the best way you can do that, honestly. Anyway, enough of the seriousness now. We're gonna walk the dog and we're gonna have a bit of fun with it. We're gonna do some B-roll. We're gonna get the drone up on this lovely sunny day. This is just what I wanted after coming back from Thailand. A nice empty beach, just absolutely beautiful blue skies, so much sunshine, so much warmth. I barely have to wear any layers. I'm practically in shorts right now because it is that warm. All right, let's do it. That was probably some of the best drone footage I've ever got. Not in terms of actual like flight ability of myself, but in terms of the footage that I got of the dog. She decided, like normally Nala hates the drone. If I fly at her home, she is a coward and she runs indoors and she runs in between someone's legs. Not normally mine, because I'm normally the one flying it. But just now, as you can quite clearly see, she decided that it was the best thing ever to run and chase. And now me and my mum agreed that was the best thing ever to tire her out. And it did, I think. Well, not at the moment, but it will have had a big effect on her. These videos aren't necessarily going to be, like, there's not really going to be a point, there's not going to be a story. What it is it's literally to cure your boredom and my boredom. For those of you who are sat at home, you binge watch you binge watch Netflix all day, you probably binge watch YouTube most of the day. This is now something that you can just watch, not really have to pay too much attention to. You can have it as background noise and just enjoy it and think, there are other people in the world in my situation who are bored. That is me.
That's no puddle today.
Hair.
No.
I got hair in my mouth. The drone, now that drone that I use is something that I took on my travels with me. It is something that I got as a last minute purchase, but it is something that I definitely do not regret getting. And if you guys want to know what it is and want a review of it, then I'd be more than happy to do it, because I've got all else to do. So, I mean, I'm probably gonna, regardless of what you guys say, I'm probably gonna make that video anyway, because I have the time to do it. We're now done with the walk. We're gonna go back home, gonna eat some breakfast, because I've been up since 6:30. My jet lag is kicking my ass right now. I know that people are gonna ask the question of, why is the dog on a lead? Is she vicious? No, she's not, and she's not a douchebag. What it is we're in a bird sanctuary, and in the bird sanctuary, you can't let the dog off. But the bird sanctuary is one of the best places for her because there's so many smells. So we just have her on a long lead. She can't terrorize the birds. And if you're wondering also, I just said she's not allowed off a lead, but we just filmed her off a lead. That's the section of the bird sanctuary that you can let them off. One of the bonuses about this whole coronavirus is the fact that it means you get to do all the little jobs that you were intended on doing in the first place, but you had no time to. For me at the moment, there's quite a lot. And for Dad at the moment, there's also quite a lot of jobs to do. One of them being setting up the whole podcasting thing. So that's why I've ordered another XLR cable and this aux lead. So we figured out that we can put a microphone, this microphone, to you guys, and it sounds a whole lot better than the mic that's on top of it, because I can't believe it. It means that I don't have to buy a boom arm for that, and I don't have to have it dangling over my head! No, quiet. Better sound means you guys will enjoy these videos a tiny bit better when we use the desk for little reviews that we're going to do. So I'm going to set this up. We've got a list of things that we have to do today. We have to finish parts of my bathroom off. I have to wash my car, do an oil change, edit some vlogs because I've got nothing else to do some emails. That's the thing about this, is the beauty of being locked in your house is it means that you get to get all the little shite done that you didn't really want to get done before. But I mean, you've got nothing else to do, so it's a good thing. It's a blessing in disguise. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna plug all this in now. We've attached everything now. This will be audio from here from now on, and I don't have to sync it. I don't have to do anything. It's just straight to the camera, and it should sound really nice. These are really expensive microphones, so that's the first task of the day done. Let's just set this up somewhere. It's time to feed. It's time to feed Nala. For the most part of the day, I have actually done some productive things. I fitted the toilet, or helped Dad fit the toilet. We took the dog for the walk, and then I've just been bored and watched a film on Netflix and played The Last of Us Remastered, because there's a new one of that coming out, so I might as well make the most of it, mightn't I? Yeah? We do your food? Yeah? We do your food now? Nala's diet is a never changing thing. It used to be before I left. It never had any of this in it. Sit. Pull. Wait. Wait. Look at me. Good girl. Good girl. Yo, people. So, yeah, well, it's the next day. I didn't spend much of my day doing much yesterday. I just I spent the majority of my day playing The Last of Us Remastered, and I finished it at about 1 o'clock in the morning last night, and today I'm probably going to buy God of War. There are a bunch of things that I should be doing, but it's just a weird feeling at the moment. When you receive news every day and every single day about something different and something new about this whole virus, everything changes and it's weird. But yeah, I just woke up. There's no one in the house. There's no dog. My family are out, so I'm probably just going to grab some breakfast. We're going to end this, and then I'll start another one at some point. Oh yeah. A worrying thing right now for me is I've got a little bit of a sore throat. Like, I've got a bit of a dry throat, a bit of a sniffle, feeling just a tad under the weather, and I really hope that is just a little bit of a cold, because I'll be quite annoyed, to be honest, because I came back home because everyone was telling me that the worries of corona were out in Thailand and stuff like that, and you need to get home. The main reason I came home was just so that I was home and with my family in case anything happened. But if I catch corona right now, I'm gonna be pissed off, I'll be honest with you. Yeah, I'll be really pissed off. Anyway, like, comment if you're new, consider subscribing. We're gonna try and keep you guys entertained as much as possible, as frequently as possible, so you guys aren't as bored as I am, and I'm not as bored. So yeah, anyway, you know what to do. Make every day count. Stay safe, guys. Wash your hands and enjoy life. Peace out. One more other thing for the guys who've stuck around. Just a quick story. Yesterday, I was fitting our toilet to the wall, and I had a tile drill bit. And if you've ever seen one of them, it's like a spear. And I was drilling away at that. Put the drill down to the side, and I went to clean up the water that the toilet had spilled out from underneath. And I did that, and I leant down, and I went donk straight into the drill bit, right on my. It really just hurt my forehead even doing that. God, I'm being stupid. I hit my forehead like bang on here. You see that little mark right there? Yeah, that was a drill bit. It looks insignificant, but I'm not joking. The circumference of the bruise is ridiculous. It hurts so much. Anyway, that's it.